Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you Dumaguete Market. It's a fish and meat market and vegetables market in the Dumaguete. It's one of the biggest market in the Negros and nearby islands. For example, from part of Cebu, people go to this market to buy some food to resale in other provinces. So first of all, we go through the cafe area with a lot of sweets in banana leaves, but we go to the market. So let's have a look what the meat they have. So first of all, you can see a lot of pork. So you can buy any part of the pork, but usually in not very big amount. So you cannot buy hundreds of feet. You only buy parts of the one pork from every seller. So you cannot buy hundreds of ears or whatever, because they are all small and resale parts only from one or two pigs. But the choice is quite big and prices are quite low. So let's have a look what they've got here. It's amazing big ribs, but can you see how big these ribs are? I will try to buy them, some of them. But it's look like this pig weight almost 200 kilo or even more. So it's very large pig. And you need to understand that the cooking of these ribs will take much longer than cooking of the small ribs. So I think it's need to be steamed 1.5 hours instead of 50 minutes. So I just choose one rack of ribs, and it's cost about, I think, 2 kilo and something about 200 peso or something. So let's go further. Bag where you store the money and take change from there. In another video you can see how he will cut these ribs. Just check links in the top of the window. Okay, we've paid, we've got enough pork, and now it's time to go to have a look on the fishes. It's some other part of the meat. The selection is quite nice, but let's go to have a look on the fishes. Oh, it's mahi-mahi here, and only 120 peso, which is about less than 2 pounds per kilo. It's an absolutely amazing price. So next time I will definitely buy some mahi-mahi, because in England it's cost about 30 pounds per kilo. So let's see what they've got. They've got a lot of small tuna, like skipjack tuna. It's cheap, simple tuna, a little bit sour, but still nice. Some sardines. Some fishes are really cheap, but on average 1.5 pound per kilo. I don't know, is this Indian mackerel or some kind of skipjack or jack mackerel. A lot of tuna and some very small fishes, sardines. Some of them are very new for me and I'm not recognize them. And this is anchovy. I'll back once again later to show what it is. Again, big squid. Nice big squid. I don't know what this big squid are. A lot of small tuna, very small tuna, or some this is a fish from the reefs. Oh, it's so many different fishes, I don't know what should I buy here. I want to buy everything. Yes, and this is lovely garfish. You see, garfish for 160 peso per kilo is nice. African pampana and de la papa tentacles. Oh, somebody just pushing very small fishes around. Need to be very careful. So let's go back to de la papa squid. Yes, I will definitely buy de la papa squid meat and de la papa squid tentacles. And some garfish with raw. It's a very beautiful fish for frying and raw for salting. And it's not much. 160, it's about, let's say, 2.5 pounds per kilo, which is really cheap. So I'll buy it and let's go further. This is a bangus or milkfish, one of the most popular fish in Philippines, farmed. So you can buy it, but it's have a lot of bones, so you need to be very careful. Okay, let's go further. Green mussels, and only 120 peso or 1.5 pounds. Very cheap. So this is really nice price. And I don't know, is it very small de la papa or just very big squid? Okay, let's see this anchovy. So this anchovy, very tiny anchovy, and it's very nice to cook them in bulk, like for the stews or any other dishes. Yeah, and what else we have here? Oh, amazing. This is prawns, floating crabs, probably not very expensive. And the most interesting this, they call them seaweed, but it's not seaweed, it's a raw of sea cucumber. Or some people say it's sea cucumber poo. No, it's a raw. Or the eggs. And they are very nice and look like crystal noodles or rice noodles. They are quite nice as well. I will take some floating crabs, and this eggs I will take later on. I quite like them with spicy vinegar, they taste delicious. Let's go further. Oh, beautiful parrot fishes. And look at this moray eel. I will definitely buy this moray eel and will show you how to cook it. Yeah, nice one for 150 peso, 1.5 pound. Very big skipjack tuna. It's nice when you have a lot of people to cook for, but I will not buy them today. Indian mackerel. And look at these heads. 100 peso each head. It looks a little bit too expensive for me. No, definitely no point to buy them. So let's go further. What else we can see? A lot of coral fishes, very beautiful. Some surgeon fishes. So you can live here for a very long time and try different fishes. It's absolutely amazing. And let's have a look what we've got else. What else we can find here? And this is a tuna pieces from very big tuna. Tuna belly is absolutely delicious for frying on the grill to a very well done stage when all the connective tissue start to be melted, and it's so nice. And also you can see some tuna jaws or tuna collar. This is very good for different cooking as well. So it's definitely nice to visit here. And again, mahi-mahi, 2 pounds per kilo or 140 peso, very cheap, de la papa. So it's amazing place to visit, and I need to spend few more days there to find all good fishes. Small mahi-mahi, only 120 peso. And I don't recognize this fish on the right here. I didn't see it very often. Maybe it's mahi-mahi as well, or not sure yet. I will check later on. Yes, I've bought everything, and now it's time to go home to other island, Cebu. So we will take this small ferry, and it's very nice to use this ferry because it's travel quite often and it's cost not very expensive and moving quite fast. But if you buy a lot and you travel with bike or car, you can take this big ferry. It's going not very often, but you can use car there. And now on the way back, I would like to tell that I really like this market, and if you buy once per week, it's much better to go there despite you spend a lot of time on travel, but you win in the price and the choice will be much better. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting video of how to cook these fishes from this market. Thank you, bye!